So, hello class, we're now in lesson number 4, which is geometric sequence. In this lesson, you're able to illustrate geometric sequence and differentiate geometric sequence from arithmetic sequence. So, what is geometric sequence? A geometric sequence or progression is a set of terms in which each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by the same fixed number called the common ratio. It is commonly represented by letter R. Okay? So what is a common ratio? The common ratio may be integral or fractional, negative or positive, and it can be found by dividing any term by the term that precedes it. All right? So let's have an example and find the common ratio. Alright, so we have here an example. Let's find the common ratio. So, paano kukunin ang common ratio natin? So, to get the common ratio, so, ang gagawin natin, pabaligtad tayo mag-divide. So, mauna tayo sa dulo, magiging 27 divided by 9. The answer is 3. Ganyan siya. Pabaligtad. Susunod naman, 9 divided by 3. Ang sagot natin is 3. So, meron siyang common ratio. Pareho silang 3. So, ibig sabihin, ang common ratio natin dito sa sequence na to is 3. Susunod. Meron tayong 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and 256. So, to get the common ratio, again, pabaligtad tayo mag-divide. Okay? So, 256. So, common ratio is 256 divided by 128. So, ano sagot natin? 256, pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator. 256 divided by 128. The answer is 2. Okay, another. So, 64 divided by 128. 64 divided by 128 muna. 128 pabaliktad divided by 64. 128 divided by 64. The answer is 2. Okay? And so on and so forth. So 64 divided by 32, the answer is 2. 32 divided by 16, the answer is 2. And 16 divided by 8 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Therefore, the common ratio is 2. Okay? Susunod. We have here 1/3, 1/9 over 1 over 27 and 1 over 81. So divided by natin. So ratio natin, so 1 over 81 divided by 1 over 27. So gumamit tayong calculator. 1 over 81 divided by 1 over 27. Ang sagot natin is 1/3. O, isa pa. So, meron tayong 1 over 27 divided by 1 over 9. 1 over 27 divided by 1 over 9. Sagot natin is 1/3. So, meron siyang common ratio na 1/3. Ibig sabihin, ang common ratio natin dito is 1/3. Susunod. Subukan natin hanapan ng ratio. So, we have here 8 divided by 6. 8 divided by 6, ang sagot natin is what? 1.33. Ang susunod. 6 divided by 4, ang sagot natin is 1.5. So, dyan pa lang, makikita mo na wala tayong common ratio. Ibig sabihin, kapag wala tayong common ratio, it is not geometric sequence. Okay? Wala siyang common ratio. Alright? So, ito yung ating geometric formula. We have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1, where a sub 1 is the first term and r is the ratio and n is the term. Okay? So, example tayo. Find the next two terms of the geometric sequence for 12, 36. So, first thing to do is to find the common ratio. Again, paano natin nahanapit yung ratio natin? 36 divided by 12. So, 36 divided by 12, ang sagot natin is 3. So, isa pa. 12 divided by 4, ang sagot natin is 3. Ibig sabihin, ang common ratio natin is 3. So, use the formula. We have a sub n is equal to, the first term is 4, and the ratio is 3 raised to n minus 1. So, hinahanap daw natin next two terms. So, ang next two term natin is the fourth term and the fifth term. So, gagawin natin dito 4 minus 1. Okay? So, magiging 4. So, ito 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So, solve na natin. 3 raised to 3, ibig sabihin 3 times 3 times 3, the answer is 27. So, 4 times 27, ang sagot natin is 108. So, ito na yung ating a sub 4 or yung fourth term natin. Another, we have a sub 5. So, yung fifth term natin. So, we have 4, yung first term. Then, the common ratio is 3. Then, hanapin natin is 5 minus 1. Yung hinahanap natin, fifth term. Equal 4. 3 raised to 4 na lang siya. So, 4, magiging 3 raised to 4. The answer is, what? The answer is 81. Multiplied by 4, the answer is 324. So, ang fifth term natin is 334. So, by the way, kung next term lang ang hinahanap natin dito, since alam na natin ng common ratio natin na 3, we can simply multiply. So, magiging 36 times 3, the answer is 108. Para makuha yung susunod, 108 times 3, we have 324. Okay? So, next example tayo, number 2. Find the 10th term of the sequence 10, 30, 9, 270, 810, 2,430. So, again, hahanapin muna natin is the common ratio. Ang common ratio natin, so, 2,430 divided by 810. So, gagawin natin, 2,430 divided by 810. Ang sagot natin is 3. Okay? So, isa pa. We have 810 divided by 270. 810 divided by 270. So, meron tayong 3. So, ibig sabihin, ang common ratio natin is 3. So, again, we use the formula. So, we're looking for the 10th term. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, pwede naman kayo mag-times 3 na mag-times 3 hanggang makapunta ka sa 10th term. But, we can also use the formula. So, we have a sub 10, the 10th term. So, the first term is 10 multiplied by the common ratio and magiging 10 minus 1 kasi 10th term ang hinahanap natin. Yung 10, the first term, okay? So, magiging 10. Ito, 3. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. So, i-calculator na lang natin. Yan. We can use the calculator. So, magiging, i-type na lang natin yan ng buo. 10 times 3 raised to 9. So, our answer is 196,830. Ito yung ating 10th term. Alright? So, let us differentiate arithmetic sequence from geometric sequence. Simple lang. Kapag sinabi nating arithmetic sequence, meron siyang common difference. Okay? Pag naman geometric, meron siyang common ratio. At paano nakukuha ang next term kapag arithmetic sequence? By adding or subtracting. Kapag naman geometric sequence, ang ginagawa naman natin para makuha yung next term is multiply. Okay? Minumultiply natin yung kanyang common ratio. Okay? So, we're done in the discussion part. So, it's your time to do your activity in lesson number 4. So, in letter A, so, ang gagawin mo lang dyan, isusulat mo lang kung arithmetic siya or geometric sequence. Ngayon, kung arithmetic siya, lalagay mo yung kanyang common difference. Kung geometric siya, lalagay mo ang kanyang common ratio. Okay? Susunod naman, letter B, find the next four 4 terms of the sequence. So, hahanapin mo yung next 4 terms niya. 4 na term yung kahanapin mo. Okay? Next, letter C naman, apply the concept skills about geometric series to solve for what is asked in each item. So, babasahin mo to, then, kung ano yung hinahanap niya, yun ang sasagutan mo. Okay? So, I hope you learned a lot for today. God bless. Goodbye, everyone.